My name is Sophia Villacorta, a student at Fairmont Prep, and it's time for re-enrollment. At Fairmont Prep, our advanced academic programs challenge students to think critically, solve problems, and reach their highest potential. Our honors classes provide rigorous coursework designed to prepare students for the challenges of college and beyond. Through our advanced science and engineering program, students delve into cutting-edge research and innovation. As an international baccalaureate school, we equip students with a global perspective and critical thinking skills through the IB program. Our advanced math courses challenge students to solve complex problems and develop analytical expertise. Unique electives like Academic Decathlon and Robotics allow students to explore their interests while building essential skills. Fairmont Prep, empowering students to think, innovate, and succeed. Re-enrollment is happening now. With so many reasons to stay at Fairmont, why would you wait? Re-enroll today.